In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneNote sync errors. Sync errors in OneNote can be frustrating, especially when you rely on your notebooks across multiple devices. These errors occur when OneNote is unable to properly synchronize your changes with the cloud, which can prevent you from accessing the latest version of your notes or cause conflicts between devices. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to resolve these issues and get your notebooks syncing smoothly again. Start by opening Microsoft OneNote and navigating to the notebook that is experiencing the sync error. OneNote usually indicates sync issues with a small error icon next to the notebook or section. Click on this icon to view more details about the error. This will often give you information on which section is failing to sync or the nature of the problem. Next, try a manual sync. Go to the File menu and select Info, then click on View Sync Status. In the Notebook Synchronization window, you can select the sections that are having issues and click Sync Now. This forces OneNote to attempt syncing immediately, and sometimes this alone resolves temporary network or server hiccups. If manual syncing does not fix the problem, check your internet connection. OneNote requires an active internet connection to sync changes to the cloud. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable network and try syncing again. If the sync error persists, it may be caused by corrupted content in a specific section. In this case, create a new section in the notebook and move the pages from the problematic section into the new one. This allows OneNote to sync the content without errors, bypassing the corrupted data. Finally, make sure your OneNote application is up to date. Updates often include fixes for known sync issues, so running the latest version can prevent future errors. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most OneNote sync errors and keep your notes up to date across all your devices. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.